Hey guys, this is Coach B with a very easy keto-friendly chicken salad recipe. So guys, I made sure that I shredded my chicken really good. I shredded up some, sliced up real thin, some onions, add some minced onion also. Then I also added some onion powder. I love the taste of onion. I added also some black pepper to that chicken salad. I then added some celery seeds. I didn't feel like chopping up any celery, so celery seed is fine. I added, depending on the amount of chicken you use, I used 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I used 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and you see here, it's all done. Oh, and on top of it, I just garnished it a little bit with some thyme. So thanks for watching, guys.